Hello guys. So as you know, my birthday was on the 10th of September, so like on Sunday. So and one thing I got was a laptop, but it wasn't arriving until the 15th. Like a gaming laptop way better than my PC. Here is the box. Very big, probably has a lot of cushioning, of course. And I'm gonna use this. I could either use my school scissors, the scissors I use for school, or just these scissors I had since 2nd grade. I mean, you know, the other would my middle school and 9th grade scissors probably will work better. I think I got it during middle school, or it's just open like that already. The tape is already fucking ripped. God damn. Okay. Yeah. There we go. I'm about to open this. These very old scissors. The tape was already. Yeah. Shit. Wait, is that? No, that's not Valorant, right? No, I can't. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yep. And there's no private information on this box, right? Yeah, no. This is furtive. I don't think that's private information. I'm not sure, but anyways. Holy shit. Yep, this is the box. Yeah. Of course it's the heaviest thing there. Okay. And I could have done this on my fucking desktop right now, but I just did not. I'm probably gonna play legal computer as well. I have to like set everything up. I have to set everything up, so that's probably gonna take a while. Okay, yeah. Asus laptop. Wait, is this another? Wow, it's really contained. Well, not really contained. Maybe if there's another layer, then yeah, place me down. Yeah. I am not strong, sorry. I'm just burning a lot. Oh, wait. It came out the other side, that's why. Oh. Ugh. Holy shit. You know what? This probably is a big enough screen for me to play OC on. There's a charger. Yeah, here's a charger here. Oh, wait, is this? Oh, wait. Oh, this is a power supply. What? Oh, no, it's part of the charger. I'm just not smart. And the manual. Yeah, the manual over here. With all the other crap. And yeah. Yeah, this, by the way, this has a i9 13980HX and a RTX 4080 inside it. Yeah, and then yeah, the specs are just way better than my PC. Essentially, the RAM is way faster. I think the SSD is fast. I'm not sure about the SSD, but the SSD at least has more storage, like 1 terabyte compared to 512 gigabytes. So, yeah. Oh, I guess it's time to unpack all this. Okay. Now I'm just gonna open it. I mean, I should probably plug it in first. Take this off first, carefully. It might fall, so. But I do need to like take it off here first. I think this is the first ever time my family got it out like i9. I'm the first one to get an i9. But probably not compared to my relatives, I don't know. Oh my god. Yeah, no, okay, no, this is gonna be really good for gaming. The screen is big enough where I can see. Yeah. Here is the laptop from my view. I'll have to throw this all away. Yeah. This is a very big charger. Damn. This is just large. I don't. Okay, yeah, it was part of it. Yep. And I won't get a better PC. But this is literally enough. This is literally, I don't even have to get a new PC for, what, the next 5 years or whatever. Bro, this is gonna run like a beast in VR. There's probably gonna be some, backlight or whatever, but I don't think that matters too much. I mean, no, that probably doesn't matter too much. Okay, I'm just gonna put up where my laptop is currently, like my work school. Yeah, it doesn't. It's literally touching my mouse pad. Remove this. There we go. I'm going to like put it in. Yeah. Yeah, I want to just leave it plugged in 50%. And I kind of want to like change my fucking Microsoft data or whatever, like Microsoft name. Because I think I'll have different names or whatever for my files. Yeah, I'll do that really quickly. I'll stop for now. So. Okay, I just changed my name on Microsoft just to like my not my dead name, my real name. Well, it's not my legal name though, but I consider yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, yeah, I'm about to sign up right now. I'll probably censor any private information. So, right country or region. It's the United States. Okay, there we go. So, is this the right keyboard layout or input method? English, India. Yeah, guys, check. Okay, yeah. Wait, this Divodak. What is that? Okay, no. Yeah, just US. No. Okay. Yeah. Oh shit, I'm probably gonna just cut this part out. Okay. View the license agreement. Yeah. Application data. Software license, confidentiality. You know what? I mean, yeah, I definitely prefer mouse, but yeah. Review device. Yeah, this is me reading it. Australia. I'm not in Australia. Oh yeah, I remember this. I remember when, yeah, the nostalgia from installing Windows 11 for the first time. It's coming back, even if it's not that nostalgic because when Windows 11 didn't come out that long ago, probably a few years, but at this point, was it 2021? Like late 2021 that came out? I think it was. I don't know. I forgot. I'll just pause it for now. Okay, I'm back. Host process. Yeah. I guess. Sure. Wait, what? Wait, why? Where are all these like saved in the cloud? Wait. Okay, so it's just restoring everything. Wait, I need to check my OneDrive. This is not one. I mean, all these don't even have to save, right? It's just all the shortcuts. And then, for some reason it fucking saves this. But yeah, this is my new PC though. It's way smoother. Wait. Oh, control. Where's the delete? Yeah. It's not even using that much. Wait. Yeah. Logical process. Oh my god. So many CPUs. And why does it have Intel graphics and NVIDIA graphics? What the frick? So it has Intel UHD graphics. Okay. Click this. Yeah, it just says Intel UHD, but then it has NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 laptop GPU. It's 39 degrees Celsius. And I can't see this one. So yeah, I use my Razer mouse to control this. And yeah, pretty much this is gonna be the end of this video. Just me deleting folders and shit. I don't even use Circle Tracker anymore as well, so but I still have it anyways. Yeah. Okay, so this is my PC on the first day of like just setting it up, and then the second image is my full setup now, since my dad got me a PC dock, a laptop dock. So yeah. Bye. I look so ugly though.